In this video today, we will discuss the 10 expected questions for June 2020 UGC NET exam for the subject Philosophy. So, the 10 questions which are expected are based on the 10 patterns which are usually followed in every exam. The first pattern is the founder, the second is the other names of school or the other theories of the school. The third pattern is important concepts. The fourth pattern is the theory of error or Khyativada. The fifth pattern is the theory of creation. The sixth pattern is the nature of the school. The seventh is similar, dissimilar, and compatible concepts. The eighth pattern is famous quotes. The ninth pattern is the name of the author and the literature. The 10th pattern is the name of the Pramanas, which basically comes under epistemology. Let's begin. The first kind of question that could be asked is based on the name of the founders. For example, Dash is the founder of Vaisheshika school. A. Patanjali, B. Badrayana, C. Jaimini, D. Kannada. The correct answer is D, that is Kannada. Kannada is the founder of the Vaisheshika school of Indian philosophy. The name of the major text belonging to the school is called Vaisheshika Sutra. Jaimini is the founder of Purva Mimamsa school of Indian philosophy. Their main literature is called Mimamsa Sutras. Patanjali is the founder of the Yoga school of Indian philosophy. The main text's name is Yoga Sutras, and Brahma Sutra is the name of the text which is given by Badrayana. The second kind of question expected is based on the other name of the school or the other theory of the school. For example, the theory of reflection given by Shankara is also called A. Pratibhimbavad, B. Apohavad, C. Saptabhangi Nyaya, D. None of these. The correct answer is A, that is Pratibhimbavad. Pratibhimbavad is a theory given by Shankara in his philosophy of Advaita Vedanta. It is also known as the theory of reflection. Saptabhangi Nyaya is another name for Syadvada in Jainism, and Apohavad is a theory which is given by Dignac. Similarly, another question that could be asked on the same pattern is Lokayata is another name for Dash school. A. Charvaka, B. Hinayana Buddhism, C. Mahayana Buddhism, D. Yoga. The correct answer is A, that is Charvaka. Lokayata is another name for Charvaka school. Hinayana and Mahayana are the two important sects of Buddhism. Question 3 is based on the important concepts belonging to the school. For example, Pratyaksham Kalpanapodam is the definition of Pratyaksha given by A. Dignac, B. Dharmakirti, C. Gangesha, D. Ishvara Krishna. The expected question could be based on the theory of error. For example, the silver that appears in a shell cannot be unreal because it appears. That silver cannot also be real because it is found to be not there when we see the shell properly. This is the view of A. Vishishta Advaitins, B. Shunyavadins, C. Samkhyans, D. Advaitins. The correct answer is D. Advaitins. According to Advaitins, the silver that appears in a shell cannot be unreal because it appears. That silver cannot also be real because it is found to be not there when we see the shell properly is an example of Anarvachniya Khyati. Anarvachniya Khyati is the theory of error which is propounded by the Advaitins. Here, according to Shankara, error is neither real nor unreal, so it is undescribable. Error is mithya, it is neither real or unreal. It is neither real for it vanishes when true knowledge dawns upon us and we realize the nature of Brahman, that it is the only reality and nor unreal, for it projects the world of appearance. Question 5. Expected is based on the theory of creation. For example, according to Dash school, creation is also called as Arambhavada. A. Nyaya, B. Vaisheshika, C. Purva Mimamsa, D. Jainism. The correct answer is B, that is Vaisheshika. According to Vaisheshika philosophy, creation is always a fresh or a new beginning. It is called Arambhavada. The material cause of the creation is atoms. They are eternal, neither produced nor destroyed in nature. When motion is given by Adrashta or the unseen power to atoms, they begin to vibrate and change to dhyads. A dhyad is a combination of the number of two atoms. Similarly, the cause of the magnitude of the three dhyads is called Trasnanu. Question number 6 expected can be based on the nature of the school. For example, Dash is a realist and relativist school of pluralism. A. Nyaya, B. Sankhya, C. Jainism, D. both A and C. The correct answer is C. Jainism. Jainism is a realist and relativist school of pluralism. It is called so because the theory of Anekantvada or the theory of manyness of reality. Jainism regards matter and spirit or soul or self as separate and independent realities. As a result, the school is also called as Bahujivavada. Question 7 is based on the similar, dissimilar and the compatible concepts of schools. For example, mark the compatible concepts with Kumarila's epistemology, that is the Purva Mimamsa school of Kumarila's epistemology. A. Swata Pramanyavada, B. Viparita Khyativada, C. Abhitanyavada, D. All of these. The correct answer is D, that is all of these. Following are the concepts which are compatible with Kumarila's epistemology. Swata Pramanyavada because Mimamsa upholds the theory of Swata Pramanyavada and Parata Apramanyavada. Viparita Khyati is compatible with Kumarila's epistemology because error is a misapprehension is accepted by Kumarila. Abhihitanvayavada means each word has different unique meaning and words have meaning because of what they denote. Denote means as to what they means. Also, words denote meaning which is learned by us via experience is what Kumarila believes in. Hence, the correct answer is D. The eighth kind of question could be based on the famous quotes which is mostly always asked. For example, matter is something I know, not what, is said by A. Berkeley, B. Locke, C. Hegel, D. Kant. The correct answer is B. Locke. Matter is something I know not is said by Locke. Like this, some other questions could be based on the same concept or the same pattern, that is the famous quotes. Like, matter as such does not exist is said by Berkeley. The real is the rational is a quote by Hegel. What we can know is only the phenomena is said by Kant. So please be thorough with the important quotes by various philosophers both in Indian and Western philosophy. The ninth kind of question is based on the pattern of the name of the authors and the literature. For example, The Religion of a Man is the work of A. Gandhi, B. Saint Anselm, C. Vivekanand, D. Tagore. The correct answer is D. Tagore. Tagore wrote a number of books. Some of them are The Religion of a Man, My Reminiscences, etc. Similarly, some of the questions which could be asked on the same pattern are The Wheel of Fortune and Delhi Diary and Harijan are the works of Gandhi. Likewise, The Human Cycle, The Divine Life are the works of Aurobindo. Lastly, another example would be Message from the East is the work of which author? Iqbal, Gandhi, Vivekanand, or none of these. So the correct answer in that situation is Iqbal. The 10th kind of question could be based on the name of Pramanas. This kind of question is quite repetitive in nature. It has been asked a number of times in different exams. For example, Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, and Shabda are Pramanas accepted by dash school. A. Nyaya, B. Sankhya, C. Buddhism, D. Jainism. The correct answer is A. Nyaya. According to Nyaya, there are only 4 sources of valid knowledge. They are perception, inference, comparison, and verbal testimony. In Hindi or in Sanskrit, they would be Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, and Shabda. Likewise, some other question which could be asked on the same pattern is, perception is the only source of valid knowledge according to, the answer is Charvaka. Likewise, perception and inference are the 2 sources of valid knowledge which are accepted by Buddhism, Jainism, Sankhya, or none of these. In that situation, the correct answer is Buddhism. So the basic idea behind this kind of pattern is to make yourself familiar with the Pramanas which are accepted by different schools and which ones are accepted by them and which ones are not accepted by them. So please make a list of all the different schools and the Pramanas accepted by them.